Kenyan businesses should accelerate adoption of responsible and sustainable practices as new European Union regulations begin to reshape global trade dynamics.
Director for Trade Simon Chelego says responsible business conduct is no longer a soft corporate value, but a decisive factor in global competitiveness.
Chelego says that the European Union now influences trillions of euros in global commerce through sustainability requirements.
Kenya exports goods worth 190 billion shillings to the European Union, mainly comprising agricultural produce such as coffee, tea and flowers. However, emerging frameworks such as the EU Green Deal and the Corporate Sustainability Due Diligence Directive are raising the bar on traceability, environmental stewardship and human rights protections across supply chains. These developments could pose challenges for exporters, particularly micro, small and medium enterprises that may face challenges in complying.
As you know, it's the Economic Partnership Agreement that entered into force last year. It is a trade agreement, but it is also a development cooperation component, and it is the first economic partnership agreement the EU has entered with a partner country, which contains ambitious provision on trade and sustainable development.
The Kenyan National Chamber of Commerce and Industry has rolled out a program to help businesses adjust by training hundreds of enterprises on sustainability and supporting MSMEs establish traceability and responsible sourcing structures.
Current concerns for Kenyan smallholder farmers is compliance with the EU deforestation regulation. How can they demonstrate that products entering the EU market are not contributing to deforestation? So those are some of the challenges, but it really needs to be seen on a sector-by-sector basis because these risks can, of course, vary.
Hoffman encouraged Kenyan companies to monitor global legal developments, noting a growing trend towards mandatory human rights due diligence in several countries.
The government is doing what we call trade facilitation. You know, EU is one of our lucrative markets in exports of horticultural products and cut flowers. Basically, we ensure that our exporters are up to date with human rights issues, labor rights, not employing children. So